Well, if you work outside the home, you should have already received your W-2. And when you file your taxes this year, you'll notice some changes. Anjanette Levy joins us with what to expect. Anjanette?
Well, Rob, one of the big changes you'll notice this year is there's no longer a Form 1040A or a 1040EZ. You'll use this shorter 1040 form. And there are other changes that could impact your refund or how much you owe. CPA Bill Hesch has been studying changes to the tax law. The number of brackets is the same, but the rates have come down slightly.
What they say is that typically the average person should maybe, save an extra 5%, maybe 10% of what they owe.
The standard deduction is now $24,000 for married couples, but personal independent exemptions have been eliminated.
The standard deduction this year is $24,000 for a married couple. There is no, and if you have 3 children, 4 children, 5 children, you're losing. You're on the loser side. You lost a $4,000 deduction.
Miscellaneous itemized deductions have also been eliminated.
You don't get to deduct miscellaneous deductions anymore, which people had unreimbursed employee expenses. That deduction is gone.
And now there are new limits on local taxes that could make some people owe more.
Taxes were limited to $10,000, so if anybody was a high earner and they had a lot of income, husband and wife working, and they have real estate taxes and they have income taxes they paid the state of Ohio, the city of Cincinnati, that's limited to $10,000.
But Hesch says there is good news for some small business owners.
But the average small business will probably get a deduction of 20%, which means if their income from their business is $50,000, they'll get a $10,000 deduction. They won't have to pay tax on $10,000 of income.
Now, the child tax credit has been increased to $2,000 for each child, and some people have been concerned about filing their taxes because there could be another government shutdown. I spoke to another accountant today who said you should file as early as possible, and that's also a good idea because it helps prevent identity theft. Rob?
Anjanette, thanks very much. The IRS has a customer service line if you have questions. The number is 1-800-829-1040. Good luck.